Hi foodies out there. Today I will show you how to make microwave Oreo cookies cake. This is a basic recipe and you can easily make this dish at your home. Just 5 minutes and you get a good kind of cake. Let's see what we need for that. For this we need 3 packets of Oreo biscuits. 1 tablespoon icing sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 cup milk, 1/2 tablespoon oil. This is optional, you can skip it. Now I will take a bowl in which I want to bake my cake. I will cover it with cling film, the plastic cover. If you don't want to use this, you can grease your bowl with the help of butter or oil. This will help the cake to come out easily. Now I am using cling film and I will gently cover it with. Now my bowl is ready. Now we will make batter. Now I will put all the Oreo biscuits in the jar and combine it very well. After putting all the biscuits in the jar, you can see all the biscuit has been crumbled very well. Now I will add icing sugar. If you don't want to more sweet in your cake, you can skip it. Now I will add baking powder. After putting all these things, I will add milk and give one more twist to it. Now I will add 1/2 tablespoon oil. This is optional. If you want to skip, you can. Now you can see my batter is ready. Now I will pour all the batter into the bowl. Now my batter is ready. I will put it inside the microwave. I will keep it inside not more than 5 minutes. Please keep your eyes on your cake. Sometimes it only will take 2.5 minutes and your cake ready. Now it will take only 2.5 minutes and my cake is absolutely ready. Now I will put knife into the cake. If it's come out without a wet batter, it means it's ready. You can see knife is without a wet batter is ready. Now guys, you can see lovely output of Oreo biscuits. Now I will garnish it with the icing sugar, or you can sprinkle icing sugar over it. If you like this video or recipe, please do comment. Please do try this recipe at home and let me know how it's turned out. Please do subscribe my channel. I will be back with the new recipe very soon. Tata, bye bye, and thanks a lot for watching my video.